Welcome to Worldwide Tutoring. Today in this video, we'll use difference of square formula to factor like a square minus b square equals a plus b, a minus b. If you multiply a plus b, a minus b, then we get a times a square, a times b minus ab, b times a plus ab, and b times negative b is negative b square. So negative b ab plus ab cancel and we get the same formula a square minus b square. So if any expression we have two squares and minus, that is a square minus b square form, then the factors will be a plus b and a minus b. So we'll do some questions based on this formula that is called difference of square. 9k square minus 36. So first we write both as squares. So 9 square root is 3. So we can write 3k square minus 36 is 6 square. So think now this is whole bracket is a and this bracket is b. So a square minus b square. Factors will be a plus b, that is 3k plus 6 and 3k minus 6. Similarly, next one, 36w square minus 49. So first we arrange both as square. So square root of 36 is 6, 6w and square. Minus square root of 49 is 7, so 7 square. So this expression is same as a square minus b square. Factors will be a plus b, so 6w plus 7, and a minus b, that is 6w minus 7. Next question. 100 g square minus 81. The square root of 100 is 10. So 10g we can write and square. Minus square root of 81 is 9 square. So think this bracket is a and this is b. So the factors will be a plus b. That is 10g plus 9 and 10g minus 9. Similarly, next 169 d square minus 49 b square. So square root of 169 is 13. So we can write 13d in the bracket and square. Minus 49 square root is 7 and b in the bracket and square. So this whole bracket think like a and this bracket is b. So the factors will be a plus b. So 13d plus 7b and a minus b is 13d minus 7b. Okay, here first we see anything we can factor. So we can reduce both by taking out common 2. So if we take out common 2, we get 2 8 16 and 2 1s 2 minus 2 4s 8 and s square. Now this simple expression we can write as square. So 281 we can write as 9 square minus 4s we can write 2s and bracket square. So now this expression is like a square minus b square. So we get 2 as it is, 9 plus 2s, and another factor will be 9 minus 2s. Next, 98, a square minus 450 b square. So first take out common, we see we can divide both terms by 2. So take out 2 common, so you get 2 4s 8, 2 9s 18, a square minus 2 2s 4 and 2 2s 4 and 1 2 5s 10, b square. So 49 we can write as 7a square minus 225 square root is 15b square. Factors will be a plus b, that is 2, 7a plus 15b and 7a minus 15b. Next one, 25 x to the power 4. So we have to write as a square. So square root of 25 is 5 and x to the power 4 we can write x square. square. Check and see, it should come to same. 5 square is 25, x square times x square, x to the power 4, minus 9 y square and whole square. So 3. So 3y square square. So 3 square is 9, y square times square is y to the power 4. So now this expression is same as a square minus, think this whole bracket is a and this bracket is b. So a plus b. So we can write 5x square minus 3y square, and a minus b will be 5x square minus 3y square. Okay, and the last question is, first we write both expression as squares. So we can write for y4, so y square, and square root of 81 is 9 whole square, minus x to the power 4 means x square, and square root of 625 is 25 and whole square. So think this whole bracket is like a and b. So a plus b. So we write y square over 9 minus x square over 25, and another factor will be y square over 9 plus x square upon 25. Again, if you look at this expression, the first factor we can further factor, because this is, we can write as a difference of square formula. So for this we can write y over 3 square minus x square over 25 we can write as x over 5 square. And this we cannot do anything, so we write as it is, y square over 9 plus x square over 25. So this expression we can factor as a plus b, a minus b. So y over 3 plus x over 5, one factor, and other factor will be y over 3 minus x upon 5. And this as it is, y square over 9 plus x square over 25. So like this we can factor using difference of square formula. If you have any question, please write in the comment. Thank you.